Hey guys, and welcome to another restocking of Nature's Embrace product. So right here I am adding the herbs to the container for the oils. And for the oils we have 4 scents. We have sweet guava, pineapple, pound cake, and strawberry. So right now the sweet guava and the pound cake are our best selling. As them come, them go. So yeah. So I'm just adding the oils to the bottles, and this one that I'm doing is pound cake. It smells amazing. So these are yoni oils. They have a whole bunch of benefits, and you see when you use them, oh god, it lasts for the entire day. Like it's a perfume, it lasts for the entire day. It keeps you smelling fresh and clean and edible and